This film is just to give you something to think about. Sometimes you can have three people doing one job and doing it okay, but it takes too long and it takes three people. Three people are being paid to do the one job, where in some cases one person could do the same job faster than the three together could. So just something to think about. So take a look. Okay, keep it. Go ahead and drill. Got it? Okay. We're good. Go ahead. Got it? Try again. Well, I didn't want to make that thing go any longer, but you might not have noticed not a single screw got put in that minute and 1 second. Decided that's enough. It was just too hard to put the screw in without having a pilot hole. That's the main thing here. So let's see how it goes when we use pilot holes and see how much faster it might go with just one person doing it. Enjoy. Okay, well, to put one butt joint together and put two screws in it shouldn't take that long. Let me show you an easier way. I've got a portable drill with a Phillips head on it. I've got another portable drill with a drill bit for a pilot hole. Let's see how that works. Okay, so just a couple of tips. One thing you might not have noticed, I've got a heavy piece of machinery here that I put this end of the board up against. That'll keep it from moving. So that eliminates somebody having to be here to hold it nice and steady for you. Once that's steady, you really don't need anybody here to hold this piece in either, because as you're drilling, it's going to push against that anyway. And it's going to walk it in. So drill a couple of pilot holes. Makes the screw going a lot easier. So you can see how easy that was. I hope you got something out of it, and stay safe out there in the workshop. See you next time.